Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I want to shoot this quick video talking about how much it will take you to make at least $100 a month from Lofty. Now, disclaimer, investing, especially into real estate or any investment out there, can be risky, so make sure you understand your risk. But Lofty is a platform that I like to use to invest into different pieces of real estate across the country. It's a way to be a landlord without owning the property, without having to manage it. It's just ultimately a passive way to invest and receive monthly dividend slash it's actually daily income from these properties. So let's go ahead and dive into it here, create a couple different illustrations of what it might look like if you invest into some of these properties. So let's just go ahead. These are all the properties currently on Lofty's marketplace. Looks like the smallest you can start is 50. There are some below that there. But yeah, let's go ahead and pick one here. Let's go ahead and pick the one in Chicago because I already own two of these tokens. So the projected IRR is 11.7%. This is going to be the 7.9% cash on cash return plus they're accounting for some appreciation. So let's go ahead and look at how much they are. So here's the two tokens. I have $100 invested into this property. Scrolling down a little bit farther, I'm trying to look at how much they're projecting. Really cool. They break everything down. Okay, so this is the section I was looking for. The projected appreciation is 3.8%. And their cash on cash return is 7.9%. So hypothetically speaking, things come up and stuff happens with rental properties, but they're projecting an 11.7% return. So let's go ahead and switch back to this spreadsheet I created. So let's go back. Okay, so here we go. Hopefully you guys can see my screen there. So this is just some different illustrations expecting, how much you can expect to receive. I'll create another row here because I have $100. I have $100 currently invested into it. So I'm looking at a projected income of $8 annually. So pretty massive amount of income right there. But so in order to get $100, we're gonna need about $1,200 a year projected, and that's looking at close to right here. That's pretty close to our mark. So here it is. We're over that $100 a month. So let's break this down a little bit further so you guys can see. Well, actually, I'll keep it there. But yeah, so this is 12 months. So you would just divide this by 12, pulling up a calculator. 1185 divided by 12 is $98.75 per month. You could expect if you invest $15,000 into this property at a cash on cash return of 7.9% and appreciation of 3.8%. You're going to get over that because of the appreciation, but you obviously can't reap the benefits of the appreciation until you sell the property. So if you want to do that, you obviously can each year buy it. But let's go back to the marketplace, see if there's any other ones that we can take a look at. Go back to the marketplace. So let's just look for one. Let's see if we can find anything better than 7.9%. These are all 7. So I see a 9.2%, but doesn't look like as much appreciation because ours was at 11.7. Is there any with 10%? So there's some with 10%. This one's actually 11.7%. So they're actually accounting for some depreciation. That's pretty interesting. Might be, you definitely got to be careful with some of these higher cash on cash returns because they might not be as nice of properties. So you're going to get a higher cash on cash return, but you're actually going to lose because, you know, stuff goes bad. It's an older house. More issues come up. Different things along the lines of that. But let's just say you're wanting to take on that risk, and trying to find one that's actually positive here. So this one looks like you're actually going to get you're going to get a little bit of appreciation there. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that one. A 9.9 cash on cash return. The starting price is a little bit higher, it looks like. Go back to the financial section. But I mean, Lofty does an amazing job. I love their platform. If you're new to, you know, real estate and you want to potentially buy a rental property, I think this is a great place to get on the platform, because you can quickly learn about all the things that it's going to pretty much go into owning a rental property or an investment property. You know, you have to have, I mean, not always, but this is what they do. They have a maintenance reserve. They have a vacancy reserve. That's not relevant. That's to their platform. But then property taxes, homeowners insurance, property management, you know, the annual DAO LLC fee. But yeah, I mean, really cool how they, you know, break everything down. Some additional. So this is a document kind of creating the LLC and different stuff like that. I'm not going to go through that, but this is the buying process. They walk through it. Really cool how, you know, they put the property under contract on July 25th. They created the tokens for the property. And this is just a little background on the current housing market where this one's listed at. And then this is related to Lofty, like the order book and stuff, like who's buying what. But really cool. I mean, I think they do an awesome job with their platform. Definitely go check it out. But let's go ahead and plug these numbers into the spreadsheet and see how much it's going to take to make $100 a month. Back to the main point of the video. Sorry, got carried away. So we got a 1.1 projected appreciation and then a 9.96 cash on cash return. 1.1. So we got 1.1 and a 9. Oh, got it backwards. This is actually 1.1, 9.96. Is that what that was? 9.96 and 1.1. 1.1%. So we're looking for that $1,200 number. We're still going to hit it right here. It's not going to take as much. It's probably going to be more or less. Yeah, so $12,000 is going to get us right at that, you know, $100 a month. 99.58. And then plus appreciation. So, yeah, right at a $12,000 investment into a property that yields, you know, 9.96% and a projected appreciation of 1.1%. So, I mean, obviously, if you want income, you could invest into a property that has a higher yield. However, you know, if you want something that's going to appreciate, let's go back and find one that's going to appreciate, you know, at least 10%, 11%. Wow, so there's, oh, so this is current projected IRR. Yeah, so this looks like it's going to appreciate at least 8%. Looks like a very nice property. Let's go ahead and look at that one. Projected IRR is 13.14%. Cash on cash returns 5.14. So a little bit less cash, but you are going to an 8% projected appreciation. So that's pretty cool. Let's go 8% and 5.4. So this is your total 13.14% projected total income and appreciation. So you're going to have to invest a little bit more to get, if you wanted that, $100 a month, it's going to take closer to $25,000, but you're going to be getting a lot more appreciation. So if you're not really concerned about the cash on cash return, you just want to invest into an asset that's going to appreciate more over time, then this might be one for you. Looks like a really nice property. We got some really cool pictures here. Nice looking backyard. Looks like a ranch style home. Nice fenced in backyard. That's cool. Awesome. Yeah, so it looks like they're projecting this area that, this property is going to appreciate more. So let's see. It was built in 2014. Right outside of Huntsville, Alabama. The property zip code has an A rating on the Popular Neighborhood Review website. This property includes a covered back patio surrounded by privacy fence. The seller property is in a 6-month lease back. It's paying $1,870 a month. This looks like a single family property, but yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I just wanted to quickly go through some numbers, kind of look at some projections of how much you can expect to receive by investing into some of these properties. Obviously long term, I think there's more opportunity in owning your own properties. But with that being said, it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time to manage it. If repairs come up, there's more risk, hypothetically speaking, on the table. But there's more upside potential as well. But Lofty is another great platform if you just want to passively invest into it. You don't want to be a landlord. You just want to, buy fractional shares of the property, then this could be a great alternative for you. And like I mentioned before, even if you're new to the space, I think they do an awesome job and just, show you all the different fees and different reserves that you should have in place to, like, whenever you're owning a property like this. It's just, overall, I think it's a great platform. Really cool how they have everything set up here. So definitely go check it out. I'll leave a link down below. I think you get a free $25 to get started. It's an affiliate link, so feel free to just go to their main website if you don't want to sign up through mine. No worries there. But you get a free $25 as soon as you invest. As soon as you invest $25, I think that's what it is. So definitely go check that out. Lofty AI, really cool platform that I'm proud to be a part of, and happily investing into different properties on their marketplace. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for sticking around if you're still here. I know this is a longer video, but definitely go check it out. Lofty AI, great website to passively invest into tokenized real estate and receive daily income from these properties. All right, guys, that's it for the video. Appreciate it. Please like and subscribe down below.